Ambassador Domingo, Undersecretary Cristobal, Director General de Lima, Undersecretary Serrano, DDG Esguerra, Mr. Hans Farnhammer, Head of Development Cooperation of the EU Delegation, other guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Since most of what I wanted to discuss has been already presented, I will just keep my speech short, shorten my speech to 45 minutes. Today, we mark our deepening partnership with the European Union as we uphold our mutual commitment to develop trade as a vehicle to reduce poverty in the Philippines and provide sustainable opportunities for growth. The TRTA 3 project is geared to increase the capacity of both the government and private sector groups in facilitating trade and investments. The importance of today's event goes beyond the launching of this project. We view this as EU's commitment to engage the Philippines comprehensively and further strengthen our trade and investment ties. Philippines is grateful to the EU for the support it has given for TRTA 1, 2, 3. Our trade with the EU amounted to 10.6 billion in 2012, with the Philippines enjoying a trade surplus of $1.3 billion. In terms of investments, EU countries accounted for 40%, or $2.75 billion, of total approved foreign investments last year. So as you can see, EU is both a significant trading partner of the Philippines as well as a significant investments source. Embarking on the TRTA 3 is a signal that Philippines intends to sustain, if not to surpass, our current level of growth. For those of you who are familiar, we got a 7.8% growth, probably the fastest in Asia during the first quarter, surpassing China by a tiny bit. With the assistance of the EU, we are addressing technical constraints that can further speed up our participation in global trade. We are now implementing far-reaching economic reforms that will spur us to perform effectively against world-class competition in our region and in the rest of the world. Through the TRTA 3 support, we will build more capacity to address constraints to increasing trade, such as, which was presented earlier, the SPS management control systems, the national quality infrastructure, competition policy, trade facilitation, and industry development policy. TRTA 3 should eventually lead to economic activities that results in business growth, job creation, and inclusive growth. Again, our thanks to the EU for undertaking this project. With the Department of Trade and Industry as coordinating agency, we believe that TRTA 3 will pave the way for more economic breakthroughs for the Philippines and strengthen cooperation between our country and the EU. Thank you and good day.